new study has found evidence of cheesemaking with milk from a variety of animals in the Late Neolithic. The research suggests that early farmers in what is now Poland lowered the lactose content in milk by making it into cheese or other dairy like yogurt, and used dairy products from multiple animals such as cows, sheep and goats. Lactose intolerance was a common trait in almost everyone in Europe during the Neolithic until the late Bronze Age. It was then that a genetic mutation became widespread, enabling adults to produce lactase, the enzyme which breaks down lactose in the body. A new study examined the practice of dairy processing in the late Neolithic, identifying high curd content residues in pottery, indicating cheesemaking, and revealing that multiple dairy animals were used. Dr. Harry Robson of the Department of Archaeology at the University of York said, "These results contribute significantly to our understanding of the use of dairy products by some of the earliest farmers of Central Europe." Whilst previous research has shown that dairy products were widely available in some European regions during this period, here, for the first time, we have clear evidence for a diversified dairy herd, including cattle, sheep and goats, from the analysis of ceramics. Scientists from the universities of York, Cambridge, Torun and Krakow used a multi-stranded proteomic and lipid analysis approach to investigate ceramics and deposits on their surface from the site of Słowecznik in central Poland. The research provides evidence that cheesemaking and other curd-enriching dairy processing can be directly detected by scrutinizing the proportion of curd proteins by comparing proteomic data. Despite widespread lactose intolerance in the period, there is evidence of dairy being consumed during the Neolithic, such as animal bones with kill patterns expected for dairy herds, dairy lipids in ceramic vessels, and dairy proteins in ancient dental calculus or plaque. Lead author Miranda Evans, PhD student at Cambridge's Department of Archaeology, said the proteomic results showed that the ancient residues closely resembled both the modern cheesemaking residues and cheese itself, and not whole milk. This reveals that the people of Słowecznik practiced cheesemaking or another form of curd-enriching dairy processing. Evidence of multiple species used for cheesemaking was backed up by the presence of both cow and sheep or goat bones on the site. Dr. Jasmine Lundy of the Department of Archaeology said, "This study highlights how complementary lipid and proteomic analyses are, particularly in understanding the use of the ceramic vessel over time. From this, for example, we could see that not only did some techniques waterproof or seal the ceramics, but also what foods were being produced in them." That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.